how to adjust the speed on your DeWalt Oscillating Multi-Tool. So let's enter our battery here. Now some DeWalt have a switch here what makes you turn the speed up or down. It may be located at the bottom here. However, this one and others are on the trigger. So if you light press, it goes slowly, and if you can press the trigger all the way, it's full power. So that's how you adjust the speed. Light press, and as we can hear, there's not much speed. As we press further down, as you can see, so it's all done on the actual trigger, unless you see a dial here, and that will indicate the speed setting. However, I do like the trigger setting, as I've always found that full speed allows you to get more accurate cuts. So hopefully that helps you adjust the speed on your DeWalt Oscillating Multi-Tool. If it does, do us a favour and smash that like button, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.